Phuket can be many things, fast-paced, crowded, but not every stay in Phuket has to feel that way. Tucked away in Cape Panwa, Kantary Bay offers something a little different, something slower, more spacious, and a little more local. And if that sounds more like your kind of trip, this might be one of Phuket's hidden gems.
Welcome back to another hotel tour video. Today, we're at Kantary Bay Phuket in Cape Panwa. If you're looking to come to Phuket but want a slower, calmer, more local experience, this is definitely a place to check out.
What makes Kantary Bay stand out isn't about being the flashiest stay in Phuket, it's the feeling. Cape Panwa has a quiet rhythm to it. It feels more residential, more peaceful, and a little more removed from the busier tourist zone. So if you're someone who enjoys a more relaxed environment, where mornings feel slower, sunsets feel softer, and you can actually hear the birds, this part of Phuket has a charm of its own, and Kantary Bay fits that mood beautifully. One of the things that immediately makes the stay feel different is the room itself. This is not your typical compact hotel layout. It feels more like a service apartment designed for people who actually want to live in the space, not just sleep in it. And that makes a big difference, especially for longer stays, couples, remote workers, or travelers who simply enjoy having more room to breathe.
Welcome inside the one-bedroom suite at Kantary Bay. And this doesn't feel like your typical hotel room. It's very spacious, comes with a fully equipped kitchen with a laundry machine as well. Additionally, you have your dining space here, living room, a spacious bedroom here with a little desk as well. And apart from that, you have this beautiful westward-facing balcony where you can enjoy gorgeous sunsets. This is the main pool at Kantary Bay, and it's set right beside the lobby area as well as the breakfast area in the morning. And additionally, what I like about it is it's pretty family friendly because there's also a kids pool there. And additionally, the other special feature is that there's a second rooftop pool that we're gonna go take a look.
The main pool feels very accessible and easygoing. It sits right at the heart of the property, so throughout the day, it becomes one of those shared spaces that gives the hotel a warm, family-friendly energy.
Here we are at the rooftop where we can find the second pool here, and this pool is a bit larger than the main one, so you're able to squeeze in a bit of a lengthier lap here. But the best part is you can see that this is facing the westward view where you get this serene view of the waters, incredibly stunning. Also, golden hour here is absolutely gorgeous.
This rooftop area is one of the highlights of the property because once you're up here, the mood shifts. It becomes quieter, more scenic, more open. And with that west-facing view, this is the kind of spot that really comes alive later in the day. When the light softens, the water reflects the sky, and the whole atmosphere feels calm in the very best way. Mornings here feel especially nice. Breakfast has this open, relaxed ambience where you can sit outside, enjoy the greenery, hear the birds, and start your day without feeling rushed. Sometimes it's these quieter moments that define a stay more than anything else. not just what the hotel looks like, but how it lets you feel while you're there. Another thing I appreciate about Kantary Bay is that it has these small touches that make the stay feel easy. From the cafe to the little souvenir and gift shop, there's a sense of convenience built into the property. It's not trying too hard, it just feels practical, comfortable, and welcoming. And sometimes that's exactly what makes a place more enjoyable. The grounds also add a lot to the atmosphere. There's a greenery throughout the property, flowers in the bloom, and little walking moments that make the hotel feel softer and more lived in. It gives a stay a sense of warmth, not overly polished in a cold way, but inviting. Another nice part of staying here is having access to the beach experience over at the sister property, Cape Panwa Hotel. So you get this added dimension to the stay. Back at Kantary Bay, the atmosphere feels calm, local, and residential. Then, over at Cape Panwa Hotel, you get a more classic beachfront setting. It creates a nice balance, especially if you want a change of scenery without going far.
One of the biggest highlights of Kantary Bay is that you just steps outside next to the serene water here. You get this beautiful view, and in golden hour time, you get an amazing sunset. Additionally, what I also like is right behind us there is the night market. There's a local night market where there's lots of food vendors, desserts, and also little stalls that you can walk around, enjoy some food while you indulge in these beautiful views.
And this is really where the hotel's location becomes special, because just outside, you're not stepping into a manufactured resort strip. You're stepping into something that feels more local and real. You have the waterfront right there, beautiful sunset views, and a night market that brings energy to the area in a very grounded, authentic way. It adds texture to the stay. You can have a quiet evening by the water, pick up local snacks, walk through the stalls, and experience a side of Phuket that feels a little more connected to everyday life. For dinner, Uncle Nan adds another warm layer to the experience. The atmosphere feels casual and comforting, and it suits the overall tone of the stay really well. Nothing feels rushed here. It's the kind of dinner setting where you settle in, enjoy the evening, and let the slower pace of Cape Panwa carry through the rest of the night. Kantary Bay Phuket may not be the stay for someone looking for the loudest, most high-energy version of Phuket, but for the right traveler, that's exactly the point. This is for someone who values space, calm, sunsets, a more local setting, and a stay that feels easy to settle into. It's a hidden gem for travelers who want Phuket to feel a little softer.
This is definitely a hidden gem in Phuket, straight in Cape Panwa. If you enjoyed watching this video, stay tuned for our next one.
At Valon, Thailand, we're always drawn to places that offer more than just a stay, but a feeling. And Kantary Bay is one of those places.